Every day, hackers find new ways to break into software, whether it's your banking app in Mumbai, an e-commerce site in Cairo, or a government portal in Dhaka. But how do we keep track of thousands of vulnerabilities and know which ones to fix first? It's actually surprisingly simple. Let me show you the system using one common attack. Imagine a website login page. Instead of typing their real password, a hacker types this special code. 1' or 1 is equal to 1 union select user, password from user's hashtag. This tricks the database into saying, oh, 1 equals 1? That's always true, you're logged in. But worse, it also says here, take everyone's usernames and passwords too. This is SQL injection, one of the most common hacking techniques. So we found this vulnerability. Now what? How do we organize it, prioritize it, and prevent it from happening again? CVE stands for Common Vulnerabilities and Exposures. Think of it like giving every vulnerability a unique name, just like how every person has a name, so we can talk about them specifically. Every vulnerability gets a unique name, so everyone worldwide can talk about the exact same security problem. The format is simple. CVE Number. Our SQL injection gets the name CVE 2024-5678. Now when I say CVE 2024-5678, security professionals everywhere know exactly which vulnerability I mean. Just like when I say Rahul Kumar, you know I'm talking about a specific person, not just any Rahul. Before CVE, if I said there's a login bug, you wouldn't know which one, like calling out hey in a busy hospital in Bangkok or Lagos. Now I just say the CVE name and boom, we're all talking about the same vulnerability. CVSS stands for Common Vulnerability Scoring System. If CVE gives the vulnerability a name, CVSS tells you how sick this patient is. Is this a minor cold or are you dying? Every vulnerability gets scored 0 to 10. 0 to 3, low, like a minor cold. 4 to 6, medium, like the regular flu. 7 to 8, high, like pneumonia. 9 to 10, critical, like a heart attack. Emergency room now. CVSS asks simple questions. Can attackers reach this from the internet? Do they need passwords first? Is it easy to exploit? What can they steal or break? More yes answers equals a higher score. Our patient CVE 2024-5678, let's call him Rahul, scores 8.5. That's like Rahul having pneumonia. Serious enough that he needs treatment soon, but he's not dying immediately. CWE stands for Common Weakness Enumeration. If CVE is the patient's name and CVSS is how sick they are, then CWE is like a medical diagnosis. It tells you why this happened and how to cure the disease, not just treat the symptom. Think of it this way. CVE says this is patient Rahul Kumar. CVSS says Rahul is really sick, but CWE says Rahul has pneumonia, which tells you exactly how to treat him. Our patient CVE 2024-5678, Rahul, gets diagnosed with CWE 89. This tells developers Rahul has pneumonia caused by a bacterial infection. You need antibiotics to kill the bacteria, not just cough medicine for the symptoms. Here's the specific antibiotic treatment plan. In tech terms, this means you have an input validation problem. You're trusting user data without checking it first. Here's how to fix that entire class of problems. Without CWE, you might give Rahul cough medicine for his pneumonia symptoms, but miss the underlying bacterial infection. CWE helps you understand the root cause. It's bacteria, so you need antibiotics to cure the whole disease pattern. Here's our patient Rahul with his complete medical chart. CVE 2024-5678. Patient name, Rahul Kumar. Specific individual. CVSS 8.5. How sick is Rahul? Pneumonia severity, serious but treatable. CWE 89. Rahul's medical diagnosis. Bacterial pneumonia requiring antibiotics treatment. It's like having Rahul's complete medical record. When your security scanner alerts, found CVE 2024-5678, CVSS 8.5, CWE 89. You instantly know which specific patient, CVE, that's Rahul. How urgent his condition is, CVSS. What type of treatment Rahul needs, CWE. These three systems turn chaos into order. Instead of random bug reports, you get organized, prioritized, actionable information. Like having a proper hospital with clear patient records instead of people just yelling someone's sick outside a clinic. Now you know it's specifically Rahul who needs help. You'll see CVE names and software updates, CVSS scores and security alerts, and CWE categories and coding best practices. Now you'll know exactly what they mean. Every vulnerability gets three things. CVE, patient name, unique individual identity. CVSS, how sick, severity level 0 to 10. CWE, medical diagnosis, specific condition and treatment. This system keeps the entire cybersecurity world organized and helps us treat the most critical patients first. Start spotting these in the wild. Security news, software patches, anywhere. What other cybersecurity basics should I break down? Comment below and subscribe for more security made simple.